Hi, good morning all. So we are here for the finals of Intercorporate Compliance Quiz. I have with me my co-host Harsha. We are from the Legacies and we are hosting this quiz. Myself, Lavish, I work with the Legacy Services in the domestic implementation team. I would now request Harsha to give a welcome nod to all the participants and the audience watching us from there.
Hello, everyone. I welcome you all to the grand finale of Compliance Cardinals quiz named as Kisme Kitna Hai Compliance Ka Dam. I welcome you all. So, before we could start with the quiz, I would like to go ahead with the roll calls. Uh, are we all set to go ahead with the roll calls?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So today we have three teams with us. We have our team first, which is from Cummins India Limited, India Part Distribution Center, and we have named them as Team Titans. So from Team Titans, we have Mr. Firoz Attar. So can you please unmute yourself and give your presence to us?
Yes, Harsha, I'm there, and Pranav Desai is also in the same team.
Mr. Pranav Desai from Team Titans.
Yeah, hi Harsha.
Okay. We have our next team, which is from Kirloskar Brothers Limited, Team KBL. From there, we have Mr. Harish Wani. Mr. Harish Wani, are you there? Yes, Mr. Harish Wani is there. Mr. Umesh Ghosavi, yes, he is there. We have our last team and the third team, which is from NSDL E-Governance
Harsha, can you
Infrastructure
pull your
Limited.
mic closer?
Can you hear me now?
Oh,
Is it any better?
better, Harsha.
Yeah.
Umesh,
And we have our third team and last team, which is NSDL E-Governance Infrastructure Limited, Team NEGIL. We have from Team NEGIL Mr. Ajit, Ms. Swati, and Mr. Bhushan. So we, so we have our all the participants. Now we will go ahead with the chits round. So this chits is just to decide the order who will be going first and who will be going next. So Lavish, are we ready with the chits?
Yeah, before going with the chat, let me pull up my screen.
Sure.
Uh, Hope my screen is visible to all.
It's visible.
Okay, okay. After we had 50 plus teams this time joining in for the compliance quiz, and after various rounds and various weeks, we are into the finals of the compliance quiz, and we have three teams from the finals.
sir, and myself is there.
All right, so all right. We have three teams. We have one team from Cummins. We have Team Titans. We have one team from Kirloskar Brothers KBL team. We also have one team from
दिसत नाही सर,
NSDL.
आता तर मेसेज झालाय सर. माझी
Harish,
स्क्रीन
can
दिसते
you
व्यवस्थित
please be
आता?
on mute?
मी
Harish ji?
Can you please go on mute? Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you, Harish. We have NSDL governance infrastructure. We have NEGIL team from NSDL. Now these are the teams. Now before going to the rules, I'll go with the chit. I'll go with the chit, and I'll be putting on the three chits on the screen, and I'll be putting on three chits on the screen, and whatever number comes in the and that sequence will go. So I'll first take the chit for the comments. I'll be picking up. I have three chits with me. I'll be picking up one chit for comments and so on for other teams as well. So whatever number comes up, that team will be going as per the sequence. So picking up for comments. Comments going first.
Okay.
Picking up for picking up for KBL. KBL going third. and
Okay.
second NSDL. So, Harsha, can I have the sequence, please?
Yeah. So to reiterate the sequence, first, Team Titans will be going. Second, Team NEGI will be going. And the last, Team KBL will be going. Are
Oh.
we clear with the order? Everyone?
Okay. Going ahead. Okay, here are the rules. I'll stick to this slide for 30 seconds and would request everyone to read along with me. The questions will be read out once. 15 seconds will be given to each team to answer once the question is read out. Timer will start once the question is read out. My co-host Harsha will be recording the times and the scores. If the team is unable to answer the question, the same will be passed with half points to the next team. Questions with two choices will not be passed. Everyone needs to be on mute unless or until their team name is announced. All teams should keep their cameras on. The first question will be answered through chat module that we have already decided. Once a question from a category is selected, the same cannot be selected by other teams. So once a question and the category and the points are exhausted, the next team cannot select the same question again. Any decision by the host will be final and binding. So these are the rules. Any concerns, any queries from anyone in the room?
Yes, Louis. Is there any negative marking if
No,
the
there's no
question is-
negative points for the incorrect answer.
Okay.
Okay, going ahead. So this time we have two parts of these questions. The first part is there on your screen, which is corporate, factory, governance, EHS, and labor. The points will be 100 to 5. The points will be ranging from 100 to 500. 100 and the difficulty level will also be increasing as per the points. The 100 will be the moderate question, and the 500 will be the toughest question. So one team can select a question from each category once their name is called out. Now in the final round, we'll also have a part B where we'll have the another slide where we'll have the another set of questions for all the teams. So once we are done with the part A, which is currently on there, which is currently there on your screen, we'll move to the part B, and then we'll decide the final. Then we'll decide the winner on accordingly. Any concern? Any doubts? All right. Going by the order, going with the team Cummins first. Team Cummins, can you please select your question in the category?
Yes, it's factory 200.
Okay, Team Cummins going with factory 200. Factory 200 on your screen now. Just a second. Yeah, it says which of the following authority has the power? Okay, which of the following authorities has the power to prescribe form of certificate of fitness to work in a factory under the Factories Act 1948? A, certified surgeon. B, the owner or occupier of the factory. C, chief inspector of factories of the state. Or D, state government. Your time starts now.
It's A, the certified surgeon.
You're going with option A, certified surgeon. Harsha, is it correct?
A is the correct answer.
Okay, 200 points to Team Cummins.
Good start.
Okay, moving on to the next team, Team NSDL. Can you please select your question in the category?
Governance 500.
Sorry, governance 500. You're going with governance 500. Team NSDL going with governance 500. Governance 500 on your screen now. No objection certificate shall be granted for extraction of groundwater for A, water parks, B, infrastructure projects if no sewage treated water is available in the close vicinity of 10 kilometers. C, infrastructure project if no effluent treated water is available in the close vicinity of 10 kilometers. 4, if no groundwater is available within 15-kilometer radius of the site. And fifth, all of the above. Your time starts now.
10 seconds left.
5, all of the above.
You're going with option 5, all of the above. Harsha, is it correct?
5 is not the correct answer.
Okay, passing it on to a team KBL for 250
Five.
points. Team KBL,
All of
your
the
time
above.
starts. Team
10
KBL,
seconds left.
Yes, Uttar.
4.
you're going with option 2, infrastructure project if no sewage treated wastewater is available in the close vicinity of 10 kilometers. Harsha, is it correct?
Option 2 is the correct answer.
Okay, 250 points to team KBL.
Lovish, just a question.
Yeah.
Can we unmute ourselves and discuss among, as a team?
Yes.
Yes.
You can unmute yourself. The team who is answering can unmute themselves and other teams will be on mute.
Okay. Team KBL, can you please select your question in the category?
You can
Corporate
unmute
400.
yourself.
Sorry, Harsha, you're saying?
Corporate 400.
Okay, corporate 400. Harsha, you have any concerns?
No.
Okay, corporate 400. Going for corporate 400 on your screen now. As per the Companies Act 2013, can below image organization alter its memorandum or articles of association? Option 1, yes, it can, as it enjoys right like any other company. No, cannot, as its objective is strictly charitable. Yes, it can with the prior approval of central government. Or fourth, none of the above. Your time starts now.
Harish, I think it is 3.
Yes, go with 3, Lovish.
KBL team going with option 3. Yes, it can with the prior approval of the government. Harsha, is it correct?
C is the correct answer.
Okay, it's a correct answer. 400 points to team KBL. Harsha, can we have the scores after the first set of questions?
Yeah. So Team Titans standing on points 200, Team KBL standing on points 650, and Team NEGIL on 0. So we have still yet to open account for Team NSDL.
All right, all right. Going ahead with the second set of questions. Team Cummins, can you please select your question and the category?
It's labor 200.
Okay, Team Cummins going with labor 200 on your screen now. Under the Apprenticeship Act and the Apprenticeship Rule 1992, a minor engaged as an apprentice to undergo apprenticeship training in a designated trade, unless such person, option A, has entered into a contract of apprenticeship, his guardian has entered into a contract of apprenticeship, C, details of contract of apprenticeship shall be entered on the portal within 7 days, D, all of the above, yeah, option E, B and C above. Your time starts.
Yeah, it's B, his guardian.
Okay, I'll discard this question. It got displayed. Team Cummins, you can select your questions again.
So we said the answer, no? We told the answer for that question before that.
But the answer got displayed. I'll have to discard that. Sorry. You can go again. Team Cummins,
Labor 300.
both of them were displayed. Sorry, sir. You can discard 200 and 300.
Sure. Okay.
400, Pranav?
No, let's go with factory. Firoz.
Factory 300.
Yes.
You're going with factory 300. Arsha, please note 200 and 300 are discarded. Labor.
Yes, I have noted it down.
You're going with factory?
300.
You're going with factory 300. All right. I'm displaying factory 300 for comments on the screen now. Which of the following statements relating to the Factories Act is not true? Option A, there's a provision in the Act relating to the constitution of management committee for the management of canteen. There's a option B, there's a provision in the Act regarding setting up of a safety committee. Option C, the Act does not have a provision relating to setting up a welfare committee. Option D, the Act has a provision relating to the establishment of grievance committee. Your time starts now.
Pranav, I think it's C, welfare committee, because I have heard this committee is but not welfare.
5, 4,
Go ahead
3.
with C.
Okay, yeah, it's C.
You're going
C
with option
is the
C.
wrong answer.
Yes.
So it's not correct. Passing it on to team NSDL with
A.
for 150 points. Yeah,
A. It's A.
you're going with option A for 150 points. Harsha, is it correct?
A is the wrong answer.
Okay, no points awarded for this question. The correct answer was D. The act has a provision related to the establishment of grievance committee. All right. Team NSDL, can you please select? So I'll select the labor 300 for once so that it is discarded from here. Yeah. Okay. Team NSDL, can you please select your question?
Labor 500.
You're going with labor 500. Labor 500 on your screen now. Under the Contract Labor Regulation and Abolition Act 1970, work performed in an establishment shall be deemed to be of an intermittent nature. Option 1, if it was performed for more than 120 days in the preceding 12 months. Option 2, if it is of seasonal character and is performed for the more than 60 days in a year. D, none of the above. Your time starts.
10 seconds left.
3.
None of the above.
You are going with option 3, none of the above.
Is the correct answer.
Okay, 500 points to Team NSDL.
Good start.
Just a moment. I'll display my screen again. Really sorry for the goof up. Okay, Arsha, please connect. Please let me know when it's visible.
Yes.
Okay.
It's visible.
Okay. Team KBL, your question in the category.
EHS 400.
Team KBL going with EHS 400. EHS 400 on your screen now. Under Public Liability Insurance Act 1991, which authority is empowered to conduct summary procedure for conducting inquiry on an application for relief for partial/full disability, death or damage to property? Option A, Insurance Tribunal. Option B, High Court. Option C, Civil Court. Or option D is Collector. Your time starts.
Harish, which one do you think of now?
Civil court. Answer C, civil court.
You're going with option C, Civil Court.
B is not the correct answer.
C is not the correct answer. Passing it on to Team Cummins for 200 points. Team Cummins.
It's Insurance Tribunal.
I think, yes, it's A, Pranav. So we are going with A.
You're going with option A, Insurance Tribunal.
A is the wrong answer.
Okay, none of the points awarded for this question. It was D, Collector. Harsha, can we have the scores, please?
Sure. We have Team Titan standing at 0.200, Team KBL at 650, and Team NSDL at 500. Of competition between Team KBL and Team NSDL.
Okay, great. All the best. There's still a lot more to the quiz. Starting again with Team Cummins. Team Cummins, can you please select your question in the category?
Pranav, can we go with factory 400 or hello?
Yes, Firoz. Let's go ahead with Factory 400.
Okay. Team Cummins going with Factory 400. Factory 400 on your screen now. Under the Factories Act 1948, which of the following is required to set up safety committee? All the factories registered in the Factories Act. Factories with 250 or more workers. Factories having a boiler. A factory involved in a hazardous process. Your time starts now.
Pranav, I'm confused between A and B.
B. Yeah, absolutely. Even I am.
10 seconds left.
Let's
I
go with
think
B.
It should be okay.
Or
5,
B tell me.
4,
I was thinking A.
3, 2,
Okay, sure. Let's go with
1.
A.
Time's up.
A.
You're going
A.
with option A.
A
Yes.
is the wrong answer.
Okay, passing it on to the NSDL team. NSDL team, your question and your time starts now. 400 points. Oh, sorry, 200 points.
D for Delhi.
Going with option D for Delhi, which is factories involved in hazardous process. I'm displaying the answer on the screen.
D is the correct answer.
D is the correct answer. 200 points to NSDL team. NSDL team, can you please select your question and the category?
Corporate 500.
Okay, team NSDL going for corporate 500. Corporate 500 on your screen now. Sweat equity shares can be issued to which of the following employees under the company share capital and debentures rule 2014? Option A, a permanent employee of the company who is working in India. Option B, a permanent employee of the company who is working outside India. Option C, director of the company working in the subsidiary of the holding company. Option D, director of the company working outside India. And option E, all of the above. Your time starts.
Ten seconds left. 5, 4,
E. E.
3.
You are going with
So-
option E.
E is the correct answer.
500 points to team NSDL. Okay, team KBL.
Labor 400.
Labor 400. Team KBL going for labor 400. Labor 400 on your screen now. Which of the following statement is or are correct under about the Maternity Benefits Act? It is applicable in just government offices. Statement number 2, it is applicable in those offices which has more than 10 employees. Statement number 3, this act entitles pregnant women for paid maternity leave. Your options are only first and third statement, option B, all second and third statement, option C, second statement, and option D, first and second
Second
statement.
and third.
You are going with option?
Option B.
Oh, B.
You are
Option
going
B.
with option B, second and third statement.
Yes.
Harsha, is it correct?
B is the correct answer.
Okay, 400 points to team KBL. Okay, can we have the scores, please, Harsha? Final scores, like total
Sure.
scores, sorry.
Sure. Just a give. Okay. So we have Team Titans, team from Cummins at 0.200. We have Team KBL at 1050, 1050, and Team NSDL at 1200 points.
Okay, I see a tough fight between KBL and the NSDL, but still there's a lot more to it. Team Cummins, please select your questions and the category.
It's factory 500. Is it okay, Pranav?
You're going with?
Factory 500.
Okay, Team Cummins going with factory 500. Factory 500 on your screen now. Which of the following is a component of known IBR boiler under the Indian Boilers Act 1923? A, boiler with capacity less than 25 liters. Option B, boiler with capacity exceeding 25 liters. Option C, boiler with less than 1 kilogram per centimeter square design, gauge pressure and working gauge pressure. Option D, boiler in which water is heated below 100 degrees centigrade. Your time starts.
So let's go with D. I'm not sure about
10
this.
seconds left.
Pranav said D.
5.
You're going with
Four.
option D, boiler
Yes.
in which water is heated below 100 degrees centigrade, right?
D is the wrong answer.
Okay, passing it on to the NSDL team. You for 250 points. Your time starts now.
C for Chennai.
Okay, you're going with option C, boiler with less than 1 kilogram per centimeter square design. I'm displaying the answer on the screen. The correct answer was B. None of the point awarded to any team for this question. It was B, boiler with capacity exceeding 25 liters. All right, NSDL team, can you please select your question and the category?
EHS 500.
EHS 500. Okay, team NSDL going with EHS 500. EHS 500 on your screen now. Which of the following which one of the following responsibility of the occupier is specific to the below shown industry? Maintenance, option 1, maintenance of plant and system of work in a factory are safe without risk to health. Option 2, defining the local mean time ordinarily deserved therein. Option 3, provide for medical examination of every worker while counting in such job and after he has ceased to work in such job at intervals not exceeding 12 months. Or option 4, all of the above. Your time starts.
It's 4.
You're going with option 4, all of the above. Harsha, is it correct?
No, it's the wrong answer.
Okay, passing it on to team KBL for 250 points. Your time starts.
Option
Team
number
KBL,
10
1.
seconds left.
You are going with option 1, maintenance of plant and system of work in a factory are safe without risk to health, right?
One is
Correct.
the wrong answer.
Okay, so it's not correct. It was C, providing for medical examination of every worker while continuing in such job and after he has ceased to work in such job and interval not exceeding 12 months. So none of the points awarded to any of the team for this question. Moving ahead, team KBL, can you please select your question and the category?
Governance 400.
Governance 400. Governance 400 on your screen now. A gazetted officer appointed by the state government having may enter into a place within his allocated jurisdiction and to examine any record, documents, etc. and seize any material, books, pamphlets, papers, slide films, writings, drawings, paintings, and photographs which he believes to be indecent and contravenes the provisions of an act. Option A, without a warrant may enter a residence. Option B, with a warrant may enter a residence. And option C, with a warrant may enter any establishment. Your time starts.
10 seconds left. 5, 4,
Option C.
3.
Option C, Chennai.
You're going with option C, with a warrant may enter any establishment. Harsha, is it correct?
C is the wrong answer.
C is the wrong answer. So passing it on to Team Cummins for 200 points. Team Cummins, your time starts now.
I think it's A. It's A.
You're
Without-
going with option A. Without a warrant may enter a residence. Harsha, is it correct?
A is the wrong answer.
So it was B. He needs a warrant to enter a residence. None of the points are awarded to any of the team. Harsha, can I have the scores, please?
Sure,
Total scores.
sure. Scores are same as before. 1,200 points for team NSTL, 1,050 points for team KVL, and 0.200 for team Titans.
All right. So as I already mentioned, there's also part B. So don't lose hope. There's a lot more to it. Team comments. So we have exhausted all the 400 and 500 points questions. Team comments. Can you please select your question in the category?
Pranav, please.
With corporate 300.
Okay, team comments going for corporate 300. Corporate 300 on your screen now. Below image indicates which of the following process under the Companies Act 2013. A, winding up, B, liquidation, C, merger, or D, all of the above. Your time starts.
I think C, merger. Pranav.
You're going with option C, merger. Harsha, is it correct?
C is the correct answer.
Okay, 300 points to team comments. Going to team NSDL.
Governance 300.
Governance 300 on your screen now. Which of the companies can the register of companies remove the register on suo motu basis? A, vanishing companies. B, non-listed companies. C, companies that have been delisted due to non-compliance of listing regulations. Companies against which any prosecution for an offense is pending in any court. E, none of the above. Your time starts.
10 seconds left.
D for Delhi.
You're going for D for Delhi, company against which any prosecution for offense is pending in any court. All right.
D
Uh,
is the wrong answer.
D is the wrong answer. Passing it on to Team KBL for 150 points. Team KBL, your time starts now.
Option E, last option E, none of the
Here-
above.
You are going with option E, none of the above, displaying the answer on the screen. It's B, non-listed company. Again, none of the points awarded for this question to any of the team. Moving on to the team KBL, please select your question in the category. Team KBL,
Hello?
yeah, please go on. Team KBL.
EHS 300.
Okay, the last question in the 300 category is coming on the screen for KBL. Your question is, the basic parameter for waste generation by waste generators under the Environment Protection Act 1986 and the Construction and Demolition Waste Management Rule 2016 is 20 tons or more in a day or 350 tons per project in a month. Option B, 20 tons or more in a day or 300 tons per project in a month. Option C, 30 tons or more in a day or 200 tons per project in a month. Option D, 40 tons or more in a day or 500 tons per project in a month. Your time starts.
Five,
Option
Four.
A,
3, 2. A is the
Option
wrong
A.
answer.
You're
A
going
is
with
the wrong
option
answer.
A, to 20 tons or more in a day and 350 tons per sub project in a month. Harsha, is it correct?
No, A is the wrong answer.
Okay, passing it on to team Cummins. Team Cummins for 150 points. Your time starts now.
I think it's B, 20 tons or 300 per month.
You're going with option B for Bombay, 20 tons or more in a day or 300 tons per project in month, displaying the answer on the screen. It's correct answer, so 150 points to team Cummins. Harsha, can we have the scores, find total scores?
Sure. Yeah. So Team Cummins at 0.650, Team KBL at 1050, and Team NSDL at 1200 points. Still,
Okay, team. sorry?
Team NSDL is leading the game.
Okay, great. I see team Cummins coming up the table. Okay, all right. Now we have the another set of questions. Team Cummins, can you please select your question in the category?
It's corporate 200 because
You are going with
I was
corporate.
thinking labor
Sure,
100.
Okay,
Go ahead, Feroz, please.
Labor 100.
which one, sir?
Labor 100.
You're going with labor 100. Labor 100 on your screen for comments. Now, so it's a true and false question. It won't be passed on. Under the rights of person with disabilities, the rights of person with disability rules 2017, can a person with a disability made a subject of research? Yes or no? Your time starts.
Ten seconds left.
Yes. 1.
You're going with
No, Feroz.
Okay.
you're going with no.
2, 1, 0. Time's
No,
up.
yes.
You're
Sir,
going with
time's up.
okay. You're
No,
going
I've
with no.
already said Harsha. I mean, you already told Lavish. It's no.
Yeah, hold on. You're going with option no.
Correct.
Okay, so I'm displaying the answer on the screen. It was incorrect. The option was yes, he can be made a subject of research. So none of the point awarded to team Cummins. Moving on to team NSDL.
Corporate 200.
Corporate 200 for team NSDL. On your screen now. Under the Companies Act 2013, ABC Limited is a subsidiary of PQS Limited. Can ABC Limited hold shares of PQS Limited? Option A, yes. Option B, no. Option C, yes, but only if it's holding it as a trustee. Or option D, all of the above. Your time starts.
10 seconds left.
C.
C.
Chennai.
C for Chennai.
You're going with option C, but only if it's holding as a trustee. Harsha, is it correct?
C is the correct answer.
Okay, 200 points to Team NSDL. Team KBL, please select your question in the category.
EHS 200.
You're going with EHS 200. Second last question in the category of 200 points is coming on your screen now. What is the maximum number of days when the state government may allow loudspeaker or a public address system or any sound producing instrument or a musical instrument or a sound amplifier in a calendar year under the Environment Protection Act 1986 and the Noise Pollution Regulation and Control Rule 2000? Option A 9, option B 12, option C 15, option D 17. Your time starts.
Ten seconds left. 5.
Option
4,
B. B for Bombay.
3.
You're going with option B or the 12 days. Harsha, is it correct?
B is the wrong answer.
B is the wrong answer. Okay, passing it on to Team Cummins. Team Cummins, your time starts now for 100 points.
Ten seconds left.
Team Cummins,
15.
5.
15.
you are going with option C 15. Displaying the answer on the screen. It's correct. 100 points to Team Cummins. Harsha, can I have the scores, please?
Sure. So Team Cummins at point 750, Team KBL at 1050, and Team NSDL at 1400.
All right. So we still have 600 points on the table. The teams can unmute themselves when their team name is announced, and also can discuss during the second. Okay, so we have one question from 200 category and 4 questions from 100 category. We'll start with Cummins again. Cummins, can you please select your question in the category?
Factory 100.
Sorry?
Factory 100.
You're going with factory 100. Factory 100 on your screen now. If there are dash number of employees, then the employer has to provide a canteen under the Factories Act. A 250, B 510, C 320, D 100, E 150. Your time starts now.
It's A 250.
You're going with option A 250. Harsha, is it correct?
A is the correct answer.
Okay, 100 points to Team Cummins. Team NSDL, can you please select your question in the category?
Governance 200.
Last question in the category of 200. Governance 200 on your screen now. Under the Companies Act, every private company shall appoint an internal auditor or a firm of internal auditors having option A, turnover of 50 crore rupees or more. Option B, turnover of 300 crore rupees or more. Option C, turnover of 350 crore or more. Option D, turnover of 100 crore rupees or more. Or option E, none of the above. Your time starts.
E.
You're
None of
going
the
with
above.
you're going with option E, none of the above. Harsha, is it correct?
E is the correct answer.
Okay, 200 points to Team NSDL. So we have only 3 questions from the 100 category. The Team KBL, please select your
तुला
question in the
100
category.
येईल 100 येईल अजून.
Ms. Swati, can you please go on mute?
Corporate 100.
Okay, corporate 100. Team KBL going for corporate 100. Corporate 100 on your screen now. What is a special resolution as per the Companies Act 2013? A, the vote cast in favor of the resolution 3 times more than the vote casted against. The vote cast in the favor of resolution 4 times more than the vote casted against.
A Sanger A.
Option A.
You're going with option A. Okay. Harsha, is it correct?
A is the correct answer.
Okay, 100 points to Team KBL. Can we have the scores, please? We have 2 questions left of 100 each. So Team KBL might not get a chance in part A. We'll go to part B after that. Harsha, can you please have the scores?
Sure. Okay. So we have Team Cummins at points 850, Team KBL at 1150, Team NSDL at points 1600.
Okay, perfect. Team Cummins, please select your question and the category.
EHS 100.
EHS 100. So Team Cummins going for EHS 100. EHS 100 on your screen now. How many zones or areas are categorized into as per the schedule for the purpose under the Environment Protection Act 1986 and the Noise Pollution Regulation and Control Rules 2000? Option A 2, option 3, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. Your time starts.
So it's
10 seconds left.
C 4.
You're going with option C? Okay, Harsha, is it correct?
C is the correct answer.
Okay, for 100 points to Team Cummins. Governance. We have only the last question for governance. Governance for Team NSDL. Team NSDL, are we good to go?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Question for 100 points coming on your screen now. Under the company's appointment and qualification of directors rule 2014, any intermittent vacancy of a woman director shall be filled up by the board at the earliest, but not later than A, immediate next board meeting. Option B, 3 months from the date of such vacancy. Option C, 6 months from the dates of such vacancy. Option D, both A and B. And option E, none of the above. Your time starts.
D for Delhi.
You're going with option D for Delhi. Harsha,
D
is
is
it
the
correct?
correct answer.
Okay, 100 points to Team NSDL. So we are done with part A. Can I have the scores, please? Total scores for all the teams.
Sure. Okay. So we have Team Cummins at points 950, Team KBL at 1150, Team NSDL at point 1700.
Okay, so Team NSDL leading with the clear margin. But as I was continuously mentioning, there's a lot more to it. So we'll go on to the part B. So I'll take a minute break to pull up my screen and my PPTs for part B. Please hold on to it. Please bear with us for a minute.
Lavish, can you at least share how the structure of this quiz is? I mean, I'm not yet sure how it's going to work. Like for this, how are you allotting? How many marks for this quiz, and the next phase of this? How are you planning to do the
No,
entire?
so at the end of both the parts, we'll total up the scores. Whoever is the winner will be having the highest scores will be the winner.
Got it. Got it.
All right. So I'm going to the part B. I'll display my screen in a minute. All right, we are good to go. I hope you people are enjoying the quiz. Yeah, thanks. Okay, so I'm going to part B of it. So I was continuously saying there's a lot more to it. Scores can completely change. So I'll pull up my screen and show you the questions for the next round. Ashap, can you please confirm once my screen is completely visible to all?
It's visible.
Okay, thank you. So we have now 5 other categories: IPR, health and safety, industrial, and there will be picture questions as well. We will be putting other images, and you'll have to answer accordingly to the image. And the last category is the finance. So the categories and the points here will be different. The points here will be 600 to 1000. Again, the rules are same. The difficulty level will keep on increasing as we go to the bottom of the scores. For 1000 point question with 1000 points will be the toughest one. So are we good to go? Can we start? Or is there any concerns?
Yes, all are good.
It will be a question answer round only, right?
Yeah, it will be similar. Just the categories and the points will change.
Okay.
There will be you will be showing some picture, or it is with reference to what?
So if you see that cry picture in the previous part,
Okay,
yeah, it will be on the similar grounds.
okay.
Any other concern from anybody? All right, Harsha, are we good to go?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, before starting, now we left it with team NSDL. We'll start with team KBL now, and then we'll have the scores again. Team KBL, can you please select your question and the category?
Health and safety 600.
You're going with health and safety 600. Health and safety 600 on your screen now. What do you mean by disability under Right of Person with Disabilities Act? Option A, a physical disability is a physical condition that affects person's mobility, physical capacity, stamina, or dexterity. Option B, a physical disability is a physical weakness. Option C, a person who is who physically disabled to perform certain tasks. Option D, all of the above. Option E, B, and C. Your time starts now.
Ten seconds left.
Option D for Delhi.
Yeah. D for Delhi. You are going for all of the above. Okay.
D is the correct answer.
D is the correct answer. Displaying answer on the screen. Yeah, D is the correct answer. 600 points to team KBL. So can we have the final scores? Then we can start. We can give a fresh start to the quiz.
Lavish, I will be maintaining different points for part B, and there are different points for part A, and at the last we will add up the points. So for part A, we have points team Cummins at 950, team KBL at 1150, team NSDL at points 1700, and from part B we have started with team KBL at points 600.
All right. So going ahead, team Cummins, can you please select your question and the category?
Yes, health and safety.
Because just a moment. Picture is a picture, and then we have to answer it. Is it?
So if you remember the questions in the part A, there was a cry picture and we asked a question on that.
Correct.
Yeah, it will be similar.
Go ahead, Firoz.
Sorry?
So health and safety 1000.
Sorry, you are not audible.
We'll go with health and safety 1000.
You are going with health and safety 1000 points question. All right. 1000 point questions on your screen now for comments. What is the color for flammable but toxic cylinder under the gas cylinder rules 2016? A, white with red band. B, red with red band. C, red with yellow band. And option D, white with yellow band. Your time starts.
Now I think we should go with B, red with a red band.
You're going with option?
B,
You're going.
red band.
Okay, you're going with option B, red with red band. Harsha, is it correct?
B is the wrong answer.
B is the wrong answer. Passing it on to team NSDL. Team NSDL for 500 points. Your time starts.
D for Delhi.
You're
D
going
is
with
the
option
right answer.
D. Harsha, is it correct?
D is the right answer.
Okay, we'd request all the teams to please go on mute until your name is announced. So 500 points to team NSDL. Team NSDL, please select your question and the category.
Picture 1000.
Picture 1000. Okay. Team NSDL going with the toughest one. Picture one for the under the picture category. 1000 point question coming on your screen. The aforesaid mentioned facilities shall be provided by which of the following establishment under the Maternity Benefit Act? A. Establishment having 100 or more workers. B. Establishment having 200 or more workers. C. Establishment having 250 or more workers. Or D. None of the above. Your time started.
5, 4.
D for Delhi.
You're
D for
going with
Delhi.
option D for Delhi.
Right,
D
right.
is the correct answer.
Okay, 1000 points to team NSDL. Team KBL.
Industrial 1000.
Industrial 1000. Every team going for the toughest one. Industrial 1000 on your screen now. Which authority is not empowered to issue licensing of new industrial undertaking as per Industries Development and Regulation Act 1951? A. State Industrial Development Corporation. B. Registrar of Industries. C. Central Government. D. All of the above. Option E. All except C. Option F. All except A. Your time starts.
काय येते
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up.
All of the above.
Sorry, sir, we cannot take
Okay,
the
so passing
answer.
it on to the team Cummins for 500 points.
अरे टाइमच्या मध्ये दिलं.
Firoz, can you answer this?
Yes, yes.
अरे पण
All except, sorry, it's actually central government, C.
5,
You're going with option C,
four.
central government. Displaying the answer on the screen. The correct answer was all except C. So, none of the point award is to any of the team for this question. Going back to the grid. Harsha, can we have the scores, please?
Sure. We have for part B, Team Cummins at 0 and Team KBL at 600 and Team NSDL at 1500 points.
All right. So, team Cummins, can you please select your question and the category?
We'll go with health and industrial 900.
Team Cummins going with industrial 900. Industrial 900 displaying on the screen now. What are the instances where stamping and verification is not necessary under Legal Metrology Act 2019? Option A, used in factory exclusively engaged in the manufacture of arms or ammunitions or both, or for the use of armed forces of union. B, option used for scientific investigation or for research. C, manufactured exclusively for export. Option D, all of the above. Option E, none of the above. Your time starts.
10 seconds left.
It's E, none of the above.
You're going with option E, none of the above. Harsha, is it correct?
E is the wrong answer.
Passing it on to team NSDL for 450 points. Team NSDL, your time starts.
D for Delhi.
You're going with D, all of the above. Are displaying the answer on the screen. It's correct. So 450 more points to team NSDL. Team NSDL, can you please select your question and the category?
IPR 1000.
You're going with IPR 1000. IPR 1000 on your screen now. According to the Copyright Act, what is the term of broadcast reproduction right? Option A, 10 years. Option B, 15 years. Option C, 20 years. And option D, 25 years. Your time starts.
10 seconds left.
C 20 years.
You're going with option C, 20 years. Harsha, is it correct?
Just a second. C is the wrong answer.
Passing it on to 500 points. For 500 points to team KBL. Team KBL, your time starts.
Option A, 10
You're
years.
going, you are going with option A, 10 years, displaying the answer on the screen. It was D, 25 years. So none of the points are awarded to any of the team. Okay, team KBL, can you please take your question in the category?
Lavesh, just a sec before going ahead. From team KBL, can I please request Mr. Umesh Gosavi to turn on their camera?
Umesh
Sir,
ji,
you can unmute yourself and discuss about the answer.
I think there is a issue with his network, so that's why he has put his camera off.
No, but
we
according
would
to
request
the
as per the
rules,
rules, sir, we would require Mr. Umesh to turn on the camera, please.
I already on.
It is
Why
on.
is not across?
Camera is on of Umesh Gosavi.
Already on, yeah.
All right, all right.
Yeah, I can see him now.
Akshay, is it
so-
fine now? We can go
Go
ahead.
to picture 900.
Okay, Asha. Yeah, Hariji.
Picture 900.
Picture 900. Picture 900 on your screen now. Does the employer have to issue notice to the authority in case the worker contracts the disease given in the picture under the Occupational Safety, Health and Working Condition Code 2020? Option A, no, only disease which cause significant bodily harm has to be reported. Option B, no, only disease which cause death to the employer has to be reported. Option C, yes, it has to be reported. Option D, none of the above.
Harish, मला वाटतं A येईल. Harish,
Yes,
5, 4.
go with A. Option A.
You're going with option A. Harsha, is it correct?
A is the wrong answer.
Passing it on to team comments. You have for 50 points. Your time starts.
It's C. Yes, it has to be reported.
Okay, you're going with option C. Yes, it has to be reported.
Hello.
Displaying the answer on the
Good
screen.
afternoon.
C is the correct answer.
C is the correct answer for 50 points to team comments. Would request
Because
other
this
teams
is
to
the
please go on mute. All right, thank you. So Harsha, can we have the scores, please?
Sure. Okay. So team Cummins at points 450, teams KBL at 600, and team NSDL at 1950.
All right, perfect. So still there's a lot more questions and lot many points on the table. I would request team comments to select your question in the category.
Yes, we'll go with health and safety 900.
Health and safety 900. Team comments going for health and safety 900. Displaying the question on the screen. Okay, who carries the physical evaluation of the manufacturer, such as inspection, testing, quality control facility, and witnessing the type testing of the prototype under which rule of the gas cylinder? A, chief controller, B, technical officer, C, controller of explosives, D, none of the above. Your time starts.
No, I think the D, none of the above.
Just message you.
Inspector does it, right?
Give my feel.
5, 4.
Let's go with D.
It's D, none
Going
of.
with option D, none of the above. Harsha, is it correct?
D is the wrong answer.
D is the wrong answer. Passing it on to team NSDL for 450 points. Your time
C for
starts.
Chennai.
You are going with C for Chennai, controller of explosive, displaying the answer on the screen. It was A, chief controller, so none of the points are awarded to any of the team for this question. Going back to the grid, team NSDL, can you please select your question in the category?
Finance 1000.
Okay, you're going with finance 1000. Finance 1000 on your screen. Last question in the 1000 points category. Recently, in the month of September, GST Council issued clarification on the following services. Now, A, intermediary services, B, food services, C, export services, D, both A and B, E, both A and C. Your time starts.
Ten seconds left.
D for Delhi. D for Delhi.
You are going with both A and B. Okay, Asha, is it correct?
D is the wrong answer.
Okay, passing it on to team KBL for 500 points.
I think A and C.
You are going with option E, both A and C.
Yes, option E, A and C.
Okay, displaying the answer on the screen, option E, both A and C is the correct answer. 500 points to team KBL.
Great.
Team KBL, please select your question and the category.
Picture 800.
Picture 800. Picture 800 on your screen now. The industry given in the picture can be categorized as which of the following under the Occupational Safety, Health and Working Condition Code 2020. A, industry involved in chemical process. B, industry involved in explosive process. C, industry involved in hazardous process. D, industry involved in non-hazardous process. Your time starts.
Harish, मला वाटतं D आहे हा. Just take care. I don't know, but D should be.
Hazardous.
5,
Option C.
4.
You're going with option C, industry involved in hazardous process. Harsha, is it correct?
C is the correct answer.
Okay, for 800 points to team KBL.
Lavish, just a second before going ahead, I would
Yeah.
like to request the teams to go on unmute when they are answering. So you don't have to keep yourself on mute while if you are the team who is answering the questions. So are we clear?
Okay, so we request team, like whenever your name is announced, please unmute yourself. For the ease of others, please be on mute during when the other teams are answering the question. Okay, Harsha. So we have finished another set of questions. Can we have the scores, please?
Sure. Okay, so team KBL at 1900 points, team NSTL at 1950 points, team Cummins at 450 points.
All right, all right. So as I was already saying, the team NSDL is already leading, but there are still a lot many points on the table, and as part B is point race part, so I'll request like tables can anytime turn. So would request Cummins to go ahead and please select your question and the category.
We'll go with health and safety 800.
Sorry,
Health and safety 800.
health and safety 800. Second question in the 800 points category coming up on your screen now. What age group of children with benchmark disability have right to free education under government scheme of Right of Persons with Disability Act 2016? A 7 to 16 years, B 6 to 18 years, C 8 to 18 years, or D 6 to 16 years. Your time starts.
Pranav, I'm not sure, but I think it's 6 to 18 years. Are you-
5,
Yeah, let's
4,
go ahead. B.
3.
B 6 to 18 years.
You're going with D 6 to.
B for Bombay.
Okay, you're going with option B 6 to 18 years. Harsha, is it correct?
B is the correct answer.
B is the correct answer. 800 points to team Cummins. Okay, team NSDL.
IPR 900.
IPR 900. Team NSDL going for IPR 900. Second last question in the 900 category. According to the Copyright Act, Berne Convention of 1886 was for A, protection of literary and artistic work, for performance and phonograms, for trademarks, option D for cinematographic films. Your time starts.
10 seconds left.
C for Chennai.
You're
Chennai.
going for C, option C, Chennai, which is trademark. Harsha, is it correct?
C is the wrong answer.
Passing it on to team KBL for 450 points. Your time starts.
Answer A.
You're going with option A, protection of literary and artistic work. Displaying answer on the screen.
A
It's
is the
correct.
correct answer.
450 points to team KBL. All right. Going back to the grid, team KBL, please select your question on the category.
IPR 800.
IPR 800. Team KBL going for IPR 800. IPR 800 on your screen now. Within how much time can applicant furnish proof of patent of invention if such proof is not furnished along with the application for a patent made by virtue of the assignment of the right? A option 2 months, B 4 months, C 5 months, D 6 months. Your time starts.
हरीश मला वाटतं point B.
Point D, right, sir? D for Delhi.
Okay, you are going with option D 6 months. Harsha, is it correct?
D is the correct answer.
800 points to team KBL. Harsha, can we have the scores, please?
Sure. Okay. So team Cummins at 1,250. Team KBL at 2,950. Team NSTL at 1,950.
Okay, so one question changed the fortune for team KBL, no issues. But still there are lot many points. Going for the next question in the category team Cummins.
We'll go with industrial 800.
You are going with
Industrial 800.
you are going with industrial 800. Team Cummins going with industrial 800. Displaying it on your screen now. Bill for Women Indecent Representation in 1986 was introduced by A. Menaka Gandhi, B. Margaret Elwa, or C. Krishna Tirath, D. None of the above. Your time starts.
Ten seconds left. 5, 4,
B.
3.
A.
You're going with option A, Menaka Gandhi. Harsha, is it correct?
A is the correct answer.
Okay, 800 points to Team Cummins. Going back to the grid, team NSDL, can you please select your question in the category?
Finance 900.
Finance 900. Finance 900 coming up on your screen now. Which of the following are the three stages of money laundering? Option A, stage 1 is refining, stage 2 integration, stage 3 layering, or option B, placement, layering and integration, option C, placement, refining and integration, option D, layering, placement and integration. Your time starts.
Five, 4,
C,
3,
B for Bombay.
2.
You're going with option B for placement, layering and integration. Asha, is it correct?
B is the correct answer.
900 points to NSDL for the correct answer. Moving ahead to team KBL. Please select your question in the category. So we have exhausted 900 and 1000 questions category.
IPR 700.
IPR 700. So team KBL going for IPR 700. IPR 700 on your screen now. According to Copyright Act 1957, what do you mean by copyright? A, negative right, B, positive right, C, exclusive right, D, both B and C, E, both A and C, F, both A and B. Your time starts.
Harish, I think A and C, category E. Harish,
Umesh sir, repeat.
A and C.
4,
It's
3.
D
You're
for Delhi.
going with option D, D for Delhi, both B and C.
Nahi,
Harsha,
A
is
and C.
it correct? Option D?
D is the correct answer.
Okay. 700 points to team KBL. Okay, can we have the scores, please?
Just a second. Okay.
Yeah.
So Team Cummins at 2050 points, Team KBL at 3850 points, Team NSDL at 2850 points.
Perfect. Thanks, Harsha. So we have only one question left in the 800 points category, 4 questions in the 700 category, and say 4 questions in the 600 category. So still there's a lot more to it. We'll start again with the comments. Comments, can you please select your question in the category?
Finance 800.
Finance 800. Last question in the 800 points category question. 800 points question coming on your screen now. What is the punishment for person found guilty of money laundering as per PMLA 2002? A. Imprisonment up to 10 years. C. Confiscation, attachment of property from laundered money. C. Cancellation of license. D. A and B. C. A to C. Your time starts.
Pranav, I think it's A and C. A and C. So E, last option, E.
Go with, I think, C. A is.
Time's
You're
up.
going.
Time's up.
Okay. Passing it on to Team NSDL.
If elephant,
You're going with E. Option E. A to C. Okay. Displaying answer on the screen for 400 points. It's D, A, and B. So none of the points awarded to any of the team.
700.
Sorry, NSDL team. Your question in the
Finance
category.
700.
You're going with finance 700. Finance 700 on your screen now. As per Code of Wages, any direct tax payable by the employer for any accounting year shall be excluding. Option A, any loss incurred by the employer in respect of any previous accounting year relating to direct taxes. B, any areas of depreciation which the employer is entitled. C, both A and B, and D, none of the above. Your time starts.
10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3,
C.
C.
You are going with option C. Okay, I'll take the answer C as you answered within 2 seconds. Harsha, is it correct?
C is the correct answer.
Okay, 700 points to Team NSDL. Team KBL, your question in the category.
Health safety 700.
Health and safety 700 on your screen now. So last question of the health and safety category. 700 points question coming on screen. Air conditioner and ventilation system providing air circulation to more than one floors shall be provided with dash designed to close automatically in case of fire and thereby preventing spread of fire or smoke. A, sprinklers. B, dampers. C, air vents. Or D, fan. Your time starts.
I think A, Harish.
Yes, go with option A.
You're going with option A, sprinklers. Harsha, is it correct?
A is the wrong answer.
Passing it on to Team Cummins. 50 points. Your time starts.
C, air vents.
You're going with option C, air vents. Displaying the answer on the screen.
C is the wrong answer.
So the correct answer was D. None of the points awarded to any of the team. Harsha, can we have the scores, please?
Sure. Okay. So Team Cummins at 2050 points. Team KBL at 3850 points. same as earlier. Team NSDL at 3,550 points.
Tough fight between NSDL and KBL. We still have 3,800 points on the table. Going ahead to the next set of questions. Team Cummins, can you please select your question in the category?
We'll go with industrial 700.
Industrial 700. Second last question in the 700 points category and in the industrial category. Coming up on your screen now. As per the Industrial Relation Code 2020, a registered trade union of workers shall have members not less than, option A, not less than 15% of the workers, or 100 workers, whichever is less. Not less than 10% of the workers or 100 workers, whichever is less. Less than 10% of the workers or 100 workers. Not less than 10% of the workers or 200 workers. Your time starts.
B for Bombay, not less than 10%.
You're going with option B for Bombay, not less than 10% of the workers or 100 workers, whichever is less.
B is the correct answer.
Sorry?
B is the correct answer.
Okay, Arsha, 700 points to Team Cummins. B is the correct answer. Moving ahead to Team NSDL.
Picture 700.
Picture 700, last question from the 700 marks category and the second last question from the picture category coming up on your screen now. Which of the following option cannot be interpreted from the given picture? Option A, Right of Person with Disability Act 2016. Option B, Minimum Wages Act. Option C, Equal Remuneration Act. Option D, both A and B. Your time starts.
D for that.
You're going with option D. So minimum wages and equal remuneration cannot be inferred from the picture. Harsha, is it correct?
D is the correct answer.
D is the correct answer. Okay. Your 700 points to Team NSDL. So we have exhausted all the 700 points question. We have 4 questions left from 600 points category. Team KBL, can you please select your question in the category?
Picture 600.
Okay, last question from this picture category coming up on your screen now. The logo was changed due to A, it was the trademark was not registered. B, the depiction in a manner or the figure of a woman in such a way to have the effect of being indecent. C, it was infringement of copyrights. D, both A and C, or E, all of A to C.
Option B for Bombay.
You're going with option B for Bombay. Asha, is it correct?
D is the correct answer.
Okay, 600 points to Team KBL. Going back to grid, can we have the scores, please? And then we'll have the final set of questions.
Sure. Okay. So Team Cummins at 2,750. Teams KBL at 4,450. Team NSDL at 4,250.
Still tough fight between KBL and NSDL for part B. Team Cummins, can we have your question in the category?
We'll go with industrial 600.
Sorry, you're going with?
Industrial 600.
Team Cummins going with industrial 600. Last question in the industrial category coming up on your screen now. As per Section 18D of Industrial Development and Regulation Act 1951, so this question won't be passed on. A person whose contract of management is terminated by a reason of the provision shall be entitled to 30% compensation for the loss of office or for the premature termination of his contract of management. Is it true or false?
False.
Sorry?
10 seconds left.
It is false.
This is false. You're going with false. Displaying answer on the screen since it cannot be passed on. So answer is correct. 600 points to Team Cummins. Team NSDL, please select your question in
Finance
the
600.
category. You're going with finance 600. Finance 600. Last question from the finance category on your screen now. Which of the followings were not key decisions of 45th meeting of GST Council held last month in September? A. Petroleum not to be included in GST at present. B. Inverted duty structure in footwear textile addressed. C. Service by cloud kitchen to attract 5% GST without ITC. And option D. E-commerce operators providing transport service to attract GST from January. E. None of the above. C. Both C and D. Sorry, F. Both C and D. Your time starts.
10 seconds left.
A for apple. A for apple.
You are going with option A.
A is the wrong answer.
Passing it on to Team KBL.
Harish, it is F, C and D, both C and D.
Go with F. F for fruit.
You're going with option F, both C and D, displaying the answer on the screen. It's none of the above because all this topic were discussed in during this 45 GST Council meeting. Okay, we have the last question for Team KBL. Team KBL, are we good to go for 600 IPR?
Yes.
Okay, displaying 600 IPR on your screen now. According to Copyright Act, what is not eligible for copyright? A. Books. B. Music. C. Mere variation of typographic ornamentation. And D. Painting. Your time starts.
Option C. Option C.
You're
C
going
for
with
cat.
option C. Harsha, is it correct?
C is the correct answer.
600 points to Team KBL. All right, so we are done with both the parts. We'll have the final winner. Harsha would request you to calculate the final, give us the first scores for this part and then give us the final scores. Once you are done with the calculation, please let me know. And first of all, thank you everyone. Like 50 plus teams participated in this quiz, and we had 3 teams in the finals. Hope you have enjoyed this. The foremost motive for this quiz was to make people aware and for the enjoyment of the participants.
Mr. Lavish, you also arrange all things in very good manner.
Thank you so much, sir. So it's a team effort. We had like a long team from the legacies who were working on the back end to make this possible and to arrange this.
Really great work by you people. All have taken active participation on organizing all these, like making the teams of for captains also, and coordination was very great from your. Thanks for Legacies.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Pranav, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for first, I will iterate the scores for part B. Part B team Cummins at 3,350 points. Team KBL at 5,050 points. Team NSDL at 4,250 points.
All right. So these are the scores for part B. Can we have the final scores, please?
Yeah. So before going for final scores, I would like to reiterate the scores for part A. So in the part A, Team Cummins stood at 950 points. Team KBL stood at 1,150 points. Team NSDL stood at 1,700 points. Now the time for final scores. I would like to start with the team who has the least scores, and so Team Cummins at 4,300 points. Team NSDL at 5,950 points, and our winning team from KBL Kirloskar Brothers Limited at 6,200 points.
So thank you, everyone.
Congratulations, team KBL.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you, Team Cummins, Team NSDN, and congratulations, Team KBL. So we had a long journey to this quiz. Like there was several teams who participated, and now finally we have the winners. But to qualify for the finals is itself a winning thing. So thank you so much, everyone.
Onkar,
We'd love to see you in our other events and also next year. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.